Hello everyone, today I will guide you on how to easily and effectively seed TikTok videos to become trending. Currently, TikTok is a very popular social media platform, attracting a large number of users, especially young people. To grow a TikTok channel quickly and effectively, video seeding is essential. MKT Tikpro software is the perfect tool that helps us automate this seeding process. With MKT Tikpro, you can automate likes, comments, shares, and follows to naturally increase engagement on your videos. This software also allows managing multiple TikTok accounts simultaneously, saving time and optimizing effectiveness for your marketing campaigns. Additionally, MKT Tikpro features user behavior simulation, ensuring that your video gains real attention from the community without the risk of being restricted by TikTok's algorithms. If you're looking for a way to boost your TikTok channel, MKT Tikpro is a fantastic choice to make a difference, build credibility, and attract more views to your content.